Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Ganesh. I am your mathematics faculty from Vidyarjan Coaching. So this is an introductory session explaining you what will be handled by this particular coaching and in this particular subject under me. So I welcome all of you students to my classes. Let us see what are the examinations which have core mathematics as their syllabus and which will be handled in this particular sessions. So the exams are SSC, railway examinations, bank, CAT, GRE and GMAT. So talking about all these exams, they all require maths as their major part of their syllabus. In fact, in CAT, GRE and GMAT, they are known as quantitative ability. So we will be handling this main subject also in our syllabus. Let us see what are the topics which are covered under this particular subject, starting from number system, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, time, speed and distance, interest and average, mensuration, geometry, algebra, permutations and combinations, and finally functions. If you see on the right side, the time limit in which these particular topics will be completed is mentioned. So you can ask a question, what about us completing all these chapters in just 20 days? Is it possible? Yes, I can get that question from you. Let us see what all we will be dealing in these 20 days and how each chapter will be dealt to complete all these chapters within just 20 days, which is probably a biggest challenge, I can say. Definitely yes, students. It's a big yes because in these 20 days we are having an effective plan to complete all the major formulas, topics as a revision, and also the main points which you should remember for the topic in the exam point of view too. With lot more practice exercises which will be provided in the classes, you will be easily able to understand and go with the flow to understand each and every topic in detail too. Yes, so success is in front of us. Let us leap and grab it. Yes, so from day one, I will be posting each and every topic videos which you will be able to see on this YouTube channel Vidyarjan Coaching Classes, and you can put on your comments under each and every video to let us know how interesting and interactive the sessions are. Thank you all students. Meet you in the classes.